Larry Ellison, the co-founder of Oracle, who is worth over $125 billion, as our 2021 said, "I believe that people should follow their dreams. I did." Yes, and I quite agree with Larry Ellison on that. That is very important for you to follow your dreams. And if I would add to that, I would say, as you follow your dreams, try to discover your purpose on earth and fulfill it. Pursuing your assignment on earth will give you happiness, joy, and fulfillment. Because that is what changed my life. My life changed when I discovered my life assignment and I began a journey towards fulfilling it. Now, let me tell you three things that changed my life. Number one, I discovered my life assignment. Number two, I discovered how to build a business structure around my business. Not just any business structure, but a business structure that actually works, because not every business structure works. And that gave me freedom of my time. So I can sleep, I can go on vacation, I can be absent, and my business is still running and doing fine because of a working business structure that I learned about. Number three, I discovered the Internet of Things. How to use the internet to boost the growth of my business. That really changed my life. The three things that changed my life. I discovered my life assignments, I discovered how to build a business structure, then I discovered how to use the internet to boost the growth of my business. That really changed my life. And that is what the MBL Academy is about. MBL Academy is called the School of Money, Business and Life, a place where you can learn how to discover your life assignments and, more importantly, how to grow your business and find fulfillment. So, what are the courses that we teach at the MBL Academy? Now, there are 12 courses that we teach at the MBL Academy. The number one course that you will learn about is called Self-Discovery. In this course, we will teach you how to discover your life assignments. We will take you through a step-by-step guide that will help you to discover your life assignment and starting a journey towards fulfilling it. This is very important. Number two is called devising platforms. Now that you've discovered your life assignment, how do you go about fulfilling it? We'll help you discover these platforms and show you how to set them up to start fulfilling your life assignment and also developing your business along the way. Number three is called trade hacking. Trade hacking. This is the place where we teach you the aids to trade, things that will enhance your business. And when I say aids to trade, I'm not talking about the aids to trade that you learned in commerce, in school, transportation, warehousing, and all those things. More than that, we'll teach you practical things that will help you boost the growth of your business. Now, I am someone who have been up there and I've also come from down here. What I mean by that is I've been in the corporate world, so I know what works, and I've been through the street, so I know practical things that actually work in the street. Most of the things that you learn at a conventional business school are just theory. They don't really work in real life. And that is what led us to create the MBL Academy, a school of money, business, and life, where you can learn the nitty-gritty that can get you started in boosting the growth of your business and achieving success along the way. The number four course is called Perception Value. How to boost the perception value of your business, yourself, or even your products. You need to know that the way people see your business is very important, and that will determine how much they are willing to pay for your service or your products. Number five, how to convince people. Here you will learn the human behavioral patterns. Now, this is different from habits or temperaments. No, we're really talking about real human behavioral patterns that if you understand them, you can influence people to take the action that you want them to take without manipulation or deception. The number six course that you will learn at the MBL Academy is called Growth Hacking. This is where we teach you the Internet of Things, how to actually use the internet to boost the growth of your business. And this goes beyond just social media. Number seven, Copy Wizard. This is a very vital course at the MBL Academy. Whether you like it or not, at one stage or the other in your business, you would need to write either a sales copy, something on the internet, email letters, something you would really need to write contents. We'll show you how to write sales copy that actually converts potential leads into buying customers. The number 8 course that you will learn at the MBL Academy is called Business Structure. We'll show you how to build a business structure that works around your business. This is very important. Now, you can see me as your Joseph. I've been through the slavery and hardship of business so that you can take the easy road towards the growth of your business. Number 9, Action Plan. And here we will show you little steps that you can start doing today that will boost the growth of your business within the next 30 days. Number 10, city principles. Every business is situated in a city, and there are founding fathers in every city. Every city has guiding rules. What works in London might not work in Lagos. What works in Lagos might not work in Port Harcourt. Every city has some set of rules and peculiarities to them. And if you learn these rules and master them, it could help your business to do better in that city where it is located, either online or offline. Number 11 is called spiritual foundation. Now, whether you're a Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, Hinduist, or I don't know what other religion exists, every religion disagrees on different aspects. But there is one aspect that every religion agrees on. It is the fact that humans are spirits. Every religion agrees about the afterlife. Every religion agrees that humans are not just this flesh. So every religion agrees on the spiritual. Now, whether you are naive about it, or you disagree, or you agree, understanding some spiritual paradigms and parameters will help your business do well beyond the human understanding. Now, I am a Christian. What I'm talking about is some biblical principles that will help you boost the growth of your business beyond human reasoning. You will love it. Number 12 is called the MBL theorem. Now, this is what actually sets MBL Academy apart from every other business school you find online or on site. We teach you the principles that govern money, business, and life. Not just something you can find anywhere else. I'm telling you the truth. Trust me on that. Now, you might ask, how much is the fees for all of these things that I've mentioned above? The MBL Academy courses comes in 3 packs. We have the MBL Alpha pack. This is the full course that contains everything which I just mentioned, nothing left out, and it goes for just $1,100, and that will be about 550,000 naira. And we also have the MBL combo pack, which goes for $360 only, and that will be around 180,000 naira. And lastly, we have the MBL boost pack, which is $126, and that will be around 65,000 naira. And you might ask, can I pay in installments? Let me ask you a question. If you go to a gas station to buy fuel, do you ask them if you can pay in installments? No, you won't do that. So you can pay in installment. However, there is a 30% discount that is available to you if you pay within the next 7 days, starting from the first day when you logged onto this website. Now, we have some free package for you that will get you started. Now, enter your name and email address in the box below so we can send you our brochure and also a free business foundation MP3 file that you can listen to and get started. I hope to see you in the classroom. Now, do we offer certificates at the MBL Academy? Yes, we do offer certificates. However, the certificate is not for you to look for admission into a university or to go look for a job. MBL Academy is designed for those who have a business owners. So, what we teach is practical guidelines that can help you enhance the growth of your business. However, we do offer certification at the end of the program. So, what is the duration of the MBL Academy? What is the duration of this course? Now, because we understand that as a business owner, you have daily busy schedules, so we designed the MBL Academy to be a self-paced program. What this means is that you decide when you will finish. However, if you can dedicate 1 hour every day for this program, it will take you about 24 days to go through the entire program. Now, remember, if you register within the next 7 days, you are entitled to 30% discount. I'll see you in the classroom.